Welcome. This video covers how to use the automatic gearbox in the 2011 to 2017 Peugeot 508, focusing on drive, D, neutral, N, and manual M modes. While this model is older, understanding its system is helpful for grasping automatic transmission fundamentals. We'll show you how to operate these modes effectively. This tutorial focuses on the ET6 six-speed automatic transmission. Let's get started. Drive mode is for standard automatic operation. To engage, start the engine, press the brake pedal, and move the gear selector to D. The transmission automatically selects the appropriate gear based on your speed, throttle input, and driving conditions. It's optimized for both fuel efficiency and everyday performance. Simply press the accelerator and the car handles the gear changes. Neutral mode disengages the transmission from the engine, allowing the vehicle to freewheel without engine power. Select N only when the vehicle is stationary or moving at very low speeds to ensure safe operation. It's primarily used for towing or brief idling situations where you need to disconnect the drive. Important: never shift into N while driving at higher speeds, as this can compromise power steering and braking assistance, leading to dangerous driving conditions. Use neutral mode with caution and only when necessary to maintain vehicle safety. Manual mode in the Peugeot 508 allows you to take control of gear selection yourself. This mode provides more direct driving experience and is useful in various situations. To engage manual mode, move the gear selector to the M or plus managed position. The selector is located in the center console and clearly marked. Once in manual mode, you can use paddle shifters behind the steering wheel or the gear lever itself to change gears. The plus button shifts up while minus shifts down. The ET6 transmission has 6 gears available in manual mode. Each gear provides different ratios for optimal performance at various speeds. Manual mode gives you more control, ideal for sporty driving or engine braking on descents. The system automatically prevents harmful shifts to protect the transmission. Remember to use manual mode responsibly for the best driving experience. In manual mode, to upshift, push the gear lever forward or use the right paddle shifter. To downshift, pull the lever backward or use the left paddle shifter. The dashboard displays the current gear. The system prevents over-revving or stalling by automatically shifting if needed. This allows for a more engaging driving experience. For smooth operation of your Peugeot 508 automatic gearbox, always start in park before starting the engine. This ensures the vehicle is securely locked and prevents any unintended movement. Engage drive mode for normal driving conditions. The ET6 transmission will automatically select the appropriate gear based on your speed and throttle input. Use neutral mode sparingly and only when the vehicle is stationary. This disconnects the transmission for towing or extended idling. In manual mode, pay attention to engine sounds and shift smoothly using the paddle shifters or lever. Avoid harsh shifts that could damage components. The transmission adapts to your driving style over time through adaptive learning. Consistent driving habits lead to smoother gear changes. Regular maintenance is crucial for longevity. Change transmission fluid every 50,000 kilometers and check for any software updates or recalls. Following these tips will help ensure your Peugeot 508 automatic transmission operates smoothly and reliably for years to come. Some Peugeot 508 owners have reported jerkiness or hesitation with the ET6 transmission. This can sometimes be addressed with aftermarket software tuning via OBD2 scanners, although official Peugeot updates are rare for this specific model. Regular transmission fluid changes every 50,000 kilometers can also help prevent issues. Check service history via VIN reports when buying used. You now know how to use the drive, neutral, and manual modes in the Peugeot 508's automatic gearbox. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific details about your vehicle. While the ET6 is reliable, proper usage and maintenance are key. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more car tips and tutorials.